Hello, buyer. After receiving your purchased product, please check the packing box for damage. Please keep the box. Open box inspection. Check the kit. Front wheel fender is complete. Open the toolbox and check if there are manuals, foot pedals, chargers, and multi-tools inside. Check for completeness. Let's unpack together and check if the electric bag has scratches. Check the integrity of the accessories. Remove the quick release lever on the tire. Place the orienteer on the front and remove the screws. Place the back handlebars on the orienteer and tighten the screws. Remove the screws from the bottom of the back meter. Place it on the back handlebar. Tighten the screws. Position the back meter. Next, we snap the front wheel of the bike to the front fork position and jam the brake pad position. Unscrew the quick release lever and separate the springs, one on each side. And insert it into the center axle of the bicycle tire. Tighten the screws and tighten the fastener upwards. Pick up the front wheel fender and align it with the position. Align the screws and nuts and tighten them. Adjusting the headlight position. Remove the screws and tighten the fender brackets. Tighten the front fork riser center screw. Tighten the fork riser screws. Install the foot pedal marked with R on the right side. Install the foot pedal marked L on the left side. Remove the key. The first step is to turn on the battery switch with the key. The second step is to turn on the vehicle switch with the key. The third step is to long press the M button. First, plug the charger into the back's charging port, and then into the power supply. This is the foldable switch of the bike.